Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Lincoln. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.